If you want the best Hostinger coupon code to get the lowest price on web hosting, this is something you don't want to miss. Right now, Hostinger is giving up to 83% off on their hosting plans, which is already a huge discount compared to regular pricing. But here's how you can make this deal even better. When you use my referral link from the description, you can get an extra 20% off on top of that 83% discount. So basically, you're stacking savings and getting hosting at an incredibly low price. And there's more value included in this offer. You'll also get extra free months added to your plan, which means you're getting additional time without paying anything extra. Now, if you're unsure about trying it, there's no risk at all. Hostinger gives you a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test their hosting, and if you're not satisfied, you can easily get a full refund. Just click the link in the description, apply the discount, and secure your Hostinger deal before it expires.